What's up YouTube, Magnus here, back with another video for you guys. Today I'm starting a series on artists that inspire me, and we're kicking things off with Raven from the North, who's a Viking and Fantasy inspired artist working out of the Czech Republic last I checked, so check him out.